Hi, Susan and Stephanie. Here's my proposal for the half day October 6th. I thought we could do 3 1-hour session with maybe 30 minutes of instruction and 30 minutes of, okay, what would work for you in your classroom with your individual students, and time to collaborate with each other and also to ask questions of me. So one session I thought we could just do the Google Drive basics for organization, collaboration with the teacher. I could do doc slides. I thought Classroom might be nice, especially for grades 3 through 12. Now that they have the Gmail accounts, we could teach the aide to post and upload resources. So any notes that they have there, any class presentations, they could maybe daily put what the homework is there and then show the students how to put the app on their phone or their iPad or whatever, or how to access it in the classroom before they leave. I could show them how to organize the Google Drive for the classroom and then share those folders with the sponsored teacher or their supervising teacher. And, they could share those. That way the teacher might be able to have them, do some of the preparations. You can add the teacher as a co-teacher in Google Classroom. So all you'd have to do is just invite the teacher, invite another teacher so they both could manage that. So if that would be okay with the sponsor teacher, that might work. Another session, there are a ton of Google Apps for education and extensions for special needs, anywhere from reading, how the screen looks, cleaning up the advertisements for cleaning the junk, the magnifier, making the font bigger. There are font settings under these lines here that you could change. Again, Cure Your Eyes, Zoomy add-on. This color bar overlay, I'll show you an example of this. There are a couple different things that it will do. Once you go to a website, it just took the USA Today, and then if it ever loads, and maybe it won't. Well, in any event, we have computer issues today. What it does is it gives you a toolbar here where you can highlight and they'll read it out loud for you. You can put a different color overlay on it. So I think that is for dyslexic students, I believe, that makes it easier for them to be able to read it. Let me try that now. There's a Google Dictionary. Oh, there it is. So the color overlay, so you can pick whatever, the kid can pick whatever color works for them. There's a dictionary, so you can just click on the dictionary and it will give you the definition. You can make the font bigger, smaller. Now the text to speech, you just have to select some. You pick your voice.
Remains.
Let's try that again.
The annual survey, released Tuesday, assesses more than 18,000 US-based colleges and universities, of which 1,374 are ranked.
So it'll read any selection that the student needs. So those kinds of things. Speak It, that's the same idea. All of these are basically the same idea, just kind of depends on what the student needs. Pupil Pref is the color overlay that works in Google Docs because the AT won't. I do have a spot for iOS apps for elementary, and I think I have a high school one too I could put in there. The third session I could offer formative assessments. We could do study skills, the Quizlet, all that stuff. The Picto for Me is here, and you can kind of make a visual representation for the students. Their communication boards is what they're called. I'm not sure, what type of students would need those, but that seems to be a big thing. And I would like to, in all sessions, to show them how to stay current with adaptive technology on the Google Plus community, which is always on their desktop, show them some common sense reviews, how to get there, make an account. Maybe that could be part of their daily routine to do that. I'd like them to see like the best website list, the best app list. It's the same kind of idea. Just being able to stay current, and maybe if a student needs a particular thing now and then something else later. It's hard to blanket when you have so many different students with individual needs. So I'd like to show them that here's where everything is, and here's where you can go to look, to maybe share this out with your students and your sponsor teacher. So let me know if there's anything else that you would like me to look at, but those are my ideas.